On March 6, 1991, seismic stations across Southern California detected a shockwave. No earthquake, no explosion. Something crossing the Mojave Desert at Mach 6 and 90,000 feet. The Air Force called it weather. They lied. And they've been lying for 30 years. This is the story of Project Aurora, or whatever the Pentagon actually calls it. About what flies when officially nothing does. About engineers with NDAs that never expire. And about America's decision that its most powerful aircraft would also be its most secret. Some of this was never declassified. Most of it never will be. Let me show you what we know. 1998. The State Route 71 Blackbird, fastest air-breathing aircraft ever built, Mach 3.2, 85,000-foot ceiling, $200,000 per flight hour, was officially retired. Too expensive, said Congress. The Air Force agreed. But spy satellites have fixed orbits. Predictable, counterable. A recon aircraft redirects in hours. Someone still needed to fly those missions. Someone was 0.0412 hours. Edwards Air Force Base. Witnesses near Palmdale reported a low, rhythmic concussion, not a sonic boom. A pulse. Aviation journalist Bill Sweetman documented 27 identical Skyquake events between 1991 and 1994. Each matching a pulse detonation engine signature. Technology decades beyond anything publicly acknowledged. An oil platform worker 90 miles offshore logged a radar return moving at 6,000 miles per hour, at 120,000 feet. Official response? Atmospheric anomaly. Ben Rich, director of Lockheed Skunk Works, said before his death, "We now have the technology to take ET home." Nobody had clearance to ask what he meant. No crash. No crew. No program on record. FOIA requests for Aurora return the same answer. No matching documents exist. But declassified 1987 Pentagon budget files show a $455 million black line item, labeled simply, Aurora. The official explanation? A B-2 cost overrun. Except the B-2 already had its own dedicated budget line. Somebody paid for something else. For 30 years, nobody's explained what. Here's what still doesn't make sense. The State Route 72, Lockheed's official successor, won't fly until the 2030s. Officially. But something has been crossing restricted airspace for 3 decades. Was it Aurora? An unnamed black program? Or is the State Route 72 announcement itself a misdirection, a public cover story for capabilities already deployed? America doesn't leave a reconnaissance gap. Not for 1 year. Not for 30. The sky was never empty. The question isn't whether something replaced the State Route 71. The question is what they named it, and whether we'll ever be allowed to find out. Next week, the classified incident that nearly triggered a nuclear launch in 1983. One pilot, one wrong signal, 12 minutes from the end of everything. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment. What classified program do you want covered next? I'll see you in the next one.